Today we want to present you a new generation of scrubber dryer, the new B40W family. This machine type can be used in many facilities. You can choose it with disc brush, with roller brush, according to the need of each customer. Compact and slim to clean through narrow areas, for example the checkout counter in supermarket. The tank-in-tank system gives a very large water capacity in a very compact shape. A color coding simplified operation. Yellow for operating, gray for maintenance. The eco-efficiency mode makes the machine quiet and increase the running time. Home base kit allows to carry additional equipment to the need of each customer. The dose system allows to reduce detergent and reduce the environmental impact. Autofill and tank rinsing, saving time before work and after work. The coded key system makes the machine very safe, one for the operator and one for the supervisor. Correctly charged with the wide area charger, the machine is always ready for the next operation. Innovation is the detail which makes life easier. Cleaning was never so efficient and easy.